everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this zigzag line in a print or in a copy on Canon. Any Canon, which are these small Canons. You can see this line, these lines, they are not straight. But you can see on the original paper, these lines are what? Are straight. So now, what you're going to do, you're going to have to off your Canon, then you open here. So when you open here, there's some sort of a sleeve here. You see this? It's lighter. You get me? That sleeve sometimes you find it's dirty. It has some ink or like something like oil on it. So I don't know what causes that oil, but what I will tell you, I'm working on a TR4540. So you could work on a different Pixma or another Canon, but could be with the same problem. But I remember once I cleaned, I did fix this without using this method. It was something like sort of a software, and it was cleaned. The zigzag lines went off, but now it's different. You need to get something like a tissue like this, then you're gonna have to fix that. So I would like you to, you might not see because but now you can see the issue. I'm going to clean it, then I'm going to show you afterwards. It's something, need that tissue also, but you get a soft tissue, don't get any tissue. Get this guy out. Sorry, you might not see everything. Well, let me clean it and come back to you. You saw what I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean this guy. But it's difficult to hold the camera also same time cleaning. Well, that's it. So if you can look and analyze this tissue, there's some dirty on that tissue. You can see it's dirty. So we clean that, and we're going now to close. We are going to close that. You see, one of the things which messes up the printer is dirt. You make sure you don't have dust in your computer, in your printers. You cover it. Once you finish using it, you can find a place to cover it. If you're staying in a dusty place, that could be also a major issue to cause a lot of things you didn't know. You can see this tissues, this printer also is a little bit dirty. Okay, we're done with this. So I'm going to try see if we can make some copies. I'll give the machine some power. Yes. Okay, we're gonna get some power. Then I'll make copies from the original paper. This is the original paper. Okay, so after getting that, I'm gonna get some papers. We can make copy. Okay. Okay, so after that, once the machine is ready, I'm gonna make a copy. Okay, the machine is ready. I'm gonna make a black and white. Okay. Taking long as expected, but it's gonna work. I would say well done, boy. You can see this. Look at this copy. Look at this. Lines are straight, and also look at this. The lines are bad here, they're fine. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.